Hey everybody, on today's video, I'm going to replace some wheels on the wheel rake here. A lot of times I do, replace the fingers, but then when you get some like these that have a bunch of them missing, then we're going to replace the whole wheel. Alright, to complete this job today, got an 11/16 wrench and my DeWalt 20 volt max 3/8 cordless impact wrench. It does work nice when you don't lose the nut when you're taking it off. A lot of times you can catch it right in the wrench. Boom. Hold it there. And I'm using side by side as my workbench for this. Oh, I had it, and then I dropped it. Yeah, might as well pick them both up. Ta-da. These things are a little bit awkward and pokey. So you gotta kind of pay attention to where you're at. One more bolt. All right, we're loose. And voila, got that old one off. Pick up that nut before I forget. That one's hiding pretty good. There we go. Okay, so while I've got this here, it found some net wrap at some time or another. So I cut that off too. I had a net wrap baler, BR 7090, and I didn't like it. There's more to clean up. When you're feeding it, it's more expensive. And since I'm kind of cheap, you know, that plays a factor. And you know, a round bale is basically a naturally thatched roof. So, you know, for the spoilage factor and things like that, you know, for me that doesn't really mean a whole lot. Now there's guys that swear by it and wouldn't do it any other way. And again, I'm all for, hey, you be you. I'll do what I do, and I just prefer the twine. So sold my BR 7090 and then went back to a 688 that I mean, it still had the paint on the inside walls when I found that thing. So, and that was last year, I think. So far, love that thing. It's doing awesome. You know, honestly, I think that's probably New Holland's best baler they ever made. Was the 688. Again, I could be biased, but I have, you know, Dad had the chain balers for years, and then, like I said, I had that net and twine, and just I loved the mega pickup on it. That was nice. But as far as the net wrap, I'm not sold. You know, it just not my favorite. Really don't like it when I have a situation like this. Now, it's not saying you couldn't have gotten twine wrapped around like this too, but this just happens to be net wrap. Got left in the field from somebody before me. Yeah, I just, I don't know, it's bad enough here on the rake, but boy, if you ever get that net wrap caught in your pickup, whew, yeah, that is really fun. Oh, there we go. All right, cool. Got rid of that net wrap. All right. Now let's see here. So I've got my new one. Oh, and I didn't get all that picked up. See if I can get a bolt started here by myself. Could be interesting. Concentrating very hard. Ooh, just a little bit off. And that went too far. There we go. Got a bolt started. I'll get the rest of those on, and then, oh, there we go. See, it's just started, so it's about ready to fall off. get those started and then we'll get the other two on. All right, there we go. 3 new wheels on the old H&S Rake here. That should help keep a lot less laying in the field. You know, it honestly wasn't losing much before. It's amazing how good these are, even with a missing tooth here and there. But yeah, we got some clouds rolling in, so it did cool down a little. It's pretty hot tonight. Sounds like down in Nebraska and Iowa maybe getting some storms, so I hope everybody's staying safe down there. And as always, hey, take care and thanks for watching.